I'm about to put a hurtin' on a beat show. We took a hit to suicide, let it all go. Stuck in the middle of the earth in a stereo. I'm about to take a little trip and never come home. She dug another in my chest until the blood flow. I'd rather lick it up and swallow every drop. Oh, everybody thinking I'm the devil, but I'm really woke. But woke up, I'm not susceptible to brain control. But I know that she's had another bit of gun with a tongue. Maybe when I said another cigarette in my gun, I'm sick of putting it up in my mouth and saying fucking I'm done. I know I'll never be the one to say the devil won. Never one phase, if I'm gonna be until like me, I'm really feeling like I'm trying to do a reincarnate. I don't know where this quiet in the light when I'm done. I really wanna take a dive in the lake and say goodbye to everything. Fuck a halo, keep a heater with you. Pocket rocket poppin', hope your people when you leave him bloody red. Really ain't an issue, think he's auntie sad. Get that bitch a tissue, heard it's on me mad. I could give a fuck. On my compa pulling up in armor trucks. You be talking Migo, but ain't one of us. Hit a 50 cell, really on the plug. Just another day in the 614. Now that in Columbus, talking Mexico. Chopping up a kilo, then we slitting throat. Trappy in the kitchen, cooking up a goat. No, that ain't no slang for a fucking pack. Even if it was, boy, you couldn't cap. Even if you did, hit you with a tag. Shout out all my homie, made a mill off wax. Ayy, death by dishonor, you cross the wrong one, you will get pushed back. On the ground, on the dog, need 10 flat to be in the same room. Pop out the cut with a stick in the stain booth. Fuck what you heard, baby, I've been around. Popo round, we need a moment of silence. Running from the peace to get away from the sirens. Ain't a damn thing changed, cause we love the violence. Baby bone, I'm an animal. Hit 100 dozen racks at the Seminole. Eat a rapper up sick like I'm Hannibal. Got a bitch right off of the banana boat. Shake well made, bill, set sales, send a rapper to hell. Broke ass rappers, man, they want me to fail. I made all the right moves, I'm never taking the L.
Yeah, usually I would just make the decision to kill him. Rest is for the willing. When you on the ceiling, will he ever give a dividend again? I'm moving diligent, this independent man. A minimum would think I'm on the bigger rank. I thank the Lord for every saint. I can't describe a cannibal or eat a rapper. Chapter 1, I get up on you, read you like a poem. Shit is sticky since I got a system. I'm a killer, make $1 million off of this. That's how deep dependent coffin is. So when my villains break a law to this, pray your Lord forgives a kid with confidence. I count the karma for my sons an orphanage. I'm bringing all them in until we all begin. There's no bargaining, so quit arguing.